Your meal for the week is right here, folks. I'm going to be showing you all how to make these red roasted tofu bowls with coconut black rice and mango coleslaw. This meal was featured in a recent video I did showing everything I ate in a day, and some folks asked for it, so here you go. This meal features purple rice, aka forbidden black rice, which is high in anthocyanins, which are the same antioxidants found in things like blueberries and blackberries, so it's very nutrient dense. We're making this in coconut milk to give it that nice coconut flavor. And from here, we're going to build our red sauce for the tofu marinade, which is a combo of mayo, soy sauce or liquid aminos, harissa sauce, lemon juice, and a combo of different seasonings. This is going to give a nice marinade that you could almost use as a dipping sauce in and of itself. It's almost like a remoulade sauce. It's kind of what it reminds me of. For this, we're using super firm tofu, which is the highest in protein of all tofus. And we're just breaking this apart by hand, and we're going to mix this around in our sauce. And from here, we're going to spread it all out onto a baking tray, and we're going to put this into the oven for about 30 minutes or until slightly browned. Now we're going to make our mango coleslaw using a blend of mayo, lime juice, and some maple syrup. The mayo I actually made at home using some aquafaba. Very simple sauce, nothing too fancy here. I decided to use some pre-packaged coleslaw mix. Normally I would chop my own veggies, but I felt like this time, you know what?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And so I decided to also add some chopped red onions, some extra carrots, and then there you see we have our tofu. It is looking really good. We're going to set that off to the side as we finish the rest of our coleslaw. After chopping up and adding our mango, we're going to mix all of this together with some fresh cilantro. We're going to get it nice and incorporate it into the slaw dressing. From here, we're going to set this aside in the fridge for about 10 minutes until it's time to build our plates. Now we're going to make this final honey harissa mayo sauce that's going to go on top. This is a combo of our homemade mayo and harissa and some honey and a little bit of sriracha that's totally optional, but this is going to add a nice sweet sauce at the end. And as always, make sure to taste and adjust the seasonings as you would like. I decided to add a little bit more honey and that did the job. Now it's time to build our plates. This meal is perfect for a lunch option or even for dinner. You could have it at any time, and it's packed with so many different nutrients and the flavors are just absolutely amazing. This came out to about 33 grams of protein and about 12 grams of fiber based on the amounts that I served here. So if you're looking for some high protein meal options, this is definitely one to try. And of course, it was time to give this a taste. And as always, my facial expressions tell it all.
Too legit. Too legit.
Too legit indeed. So much so that I had to add some extra sauce because I feel like meals like this are always better with a little extra sauce, in my opinion. Let me know what you all think of this meal in the comments below. And if you all would like any other high protein plant-based recipes, then click on this video that you see here in the top right. In the meantime, stay young, stay healthy, and live well, friends. Peace.